first video, and I'm gonna show you how to go into Adobe Spark for education. So let's do Adobe Spark. You can just do Adobe Spark and it will take you there. It's a little tricky into how to get in, so that's why I want to show you step by step into how to do it. You're gonna click in login, and then this is the complicated part. So it's the same thing for you or your students. You're like, are you a teacher or you're a student? Well, I do have a school account, right? So you click in school account, and then you have to click Google, just because everything in our domain is going to be linked into Google. From here, look, here's the school account. I know enterprise IDs, you're like, what in the world is that? But company or school account. So we are a school account. So you do enterprise ID and boom, you are in. Okay. It looks beautiful. Now, something that you do need to check and have your students check is when you click in on your little logo or picture, whatever you have to have this as Spark Premium for Education. Make sure you have that, because if you're going to have some issues, that's the first question that I'm going to ask you. Okay, so you have a lot of features and a lot of options in here, but I'm going to show you how you're going to start your first video, because this class is just about video. So we're going to go here with the plus, the blue plus. Now from here you have, you can make a flyer, you can make a website, you can make a video or a logo for your branding. Yes, you do have access to this. We are not encouraging to do any of this. The official statement is we are not supporting website creation. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. For students or teachers, you cannot use that. That's what we were told. We're not supporting it. So we're not gonna go there. Video. And you can create like a template in a way. I'm gonna do demo. You don't have to do this. You can just skip it. Like down here will be a skip. It gives you like different designs in a way. They're all this. It doesn't really matter what you put in the front. It's gonna take you to the same place, right? So, or you can start from scratch. But I'm gonna put, I don't know, let's do a journey. Here is journey. There you go. So I'm really not going to use them. I'm just going to show you what they look like, but I like to start from scratch. That's just me. But I'm going to click on that. You're going to see you're going to have some slides, and within the slide is going to tell you a suggestion. What should you add in that slide? Okay. This is a very important video that you need to watch. The very first time you open Adobe Spark Video, it's going to show you this. So after you watch the video, you can go ahead and click on that box, and then you won't see that video again. I haven't checked it because we're doing lots of demos on Adobe Spark. So I do want you to watch this video. It's only 1 minute. Okay. It's really, really cool. So from here, you can take a look at, like, this is the template, right? Challenge, the climax of your invite or your project, and your resolution. Now, you don't have to use them if you don't want to. Actually, the next video I won't have them. But if you click on them, you can literally just delete them if you want to. So it's a good idea to show your students this is a template, and it will tell them you should put the challenge here, you should put the top of the story here. So things like that, because sometimes when you give them an empty canvas, they don't know what to do. So this is how you start a new project, and then on the next video I'm going to show you even more features.